This is a special mountain for my family. So my parents had their honeymoon up here, but equally we used to come up here as kids. And then when my father died, we had a little ceremony for him right out here. The mountain we've used as a theme because, you know, it was always going to be an uphill battle. It was always going to be one where we were going to have little setbacks, like what is mountaineering, but exactly that, the challenge of steeper parts and flattening off, all these sort of parallels that you can make. So we have used this mountain as an image throughout this campaign, and then equally as we've moved towards the Ewros, we've started talking more about like this summit part, the Everest part of it, that something is impossible until it isn't, and we're there. And that is an important thing, I think, to be able to do, is to tell the story of it, for them to be able to picture it and maybe to feel it. But more than anything, I think it's just a perfect visual for this team, is this mountain, highest peak in Wales. So I'm glad we've used it since the beginning.